Ah, that school day was very annoying. I hate it. Anyway, my friend told me to do a blinking challenge. Actually, no blinking challenge. And he said I had to do it for 60 seconds. Ah! Bro. Okay, let's try again. Ow! Okay, okay.